Hello guys, very good morning one and all. Welcome to PVR Info. This is Ram. In previous session, we discussed about the topic group discussion, right? Every interview, group discussion topic is very important as I said you, right? Now here, first topic is aptitude, I said. And second one is group discussion. And third one is jam session. Fourth one is HR round. If you are going for any interview, these are the common topics, right? If you are going for any software, technical round will be there, that is a common round. And here in aptitude, I said already 5 best books for their group discussion topic in discussion, right? Group discussion and debate. Let me start with debate today. Now, debate topic is very important. Debate means just opposite to group discussion, right? That means group debate means we should not agree with that point. If any one person says about one point, we should not agree with that point. Group discussion means we have to just share our personal opinion. That is group discussion. We should not agree. That means we should not argue with that point. But here in debate, we must argue with that point. If one person says, okay, let me give you one best example. Here, some topic is Pawan Kalyan and Prabhas. If you take this example, Prabhas, okay. Debate means we can get just one topic, Pawan Kalyan and Prabhas. For example, if you take Prabhas is not a topic, just Pawan Kalyan is a topic. If you take one person is saying about Pawan Kalyan or Power Star is a very nice person, very hardworking person, very nice, right? He says or he said about his opinion, right? Now other person should not agree with that point. Other person should not agree with this point. Means how can you say? We have to put questions. How can you say he is a nice person? How can you say what he did for this? Like this, we have to just argue. Otherwise, group discussion means he says about his favorite actor, right? If you are saying about your favorite actor, okay, Prabhas is my favorite actor. He is very tall and handsome. Like that, you are saying. And Pawan Kalyan is like a very social person, right? Very down to earth. If you say about both are saying their opinions, means group discussion. But if one person says about one person is saying about Pawan Kalyan and other person is not agree with that point, means you have to just push questions. How can you say he is a nice person? He did this, he did like this. How can you say? And this person again, he has to just argue. That is called debate. And as we know about debates, political debates are there. We are watching on TV also, right? That means we should not agree with that point. We have to just argue. Debate means maximum every company they don't encourage. Maximum company they don't encourage debate. If you are going for any political or anything is there, we must go through the debates. We have to understand the political ways. So that's why debate is very important. If you are going for any interviews or everywhere, like 2-3 people interviews, like I don't want to make it more complicated because some religious issues are going on, Hindu, Muslim are different. So that's why they are also doing some political debates. And some people are astrologer and political also, scientific, both are there. It is also going on debates. So these are the topics, debate topics. If you are going into that, we can easily talk. Some ghosts are there, some people may say, some people ghosts are not there. Or eclipse is there, solar eclipse or anything, some people, no, it is not there. Like that, some people may differ. It affects people directly, it does not affect. Like that, they may argue. That is called debate. In this debate, maximum companies don't follow the debate rounds because it gives our cruelty, like, and anger management. These are very, very important. Just quite opposite to group discussion is debate. First point is, debate means argue with that point. Argument. We should not agree with that point. Here in this, we should not go to personal. In this debate also, some points are there, some rules and regulations are there. But generally, we don't follow. Once we involve into the topic, once we take it as personal, we go into a lot of different ways. Now nowadays trending topics are RGV or something, right? Power Star movie and different RGV, Paranaji movie, and movies are going on, in the debates are going on. Depends on their interviews and their way of talking. It became like a debates, right? And they behave like that way, so that's why it became like debates. In this should not go to personal. In the debate also should not go to personal. Just about if you are talking about Pawan Kalyan or any other person, Narendra Modi or any other person, Virat Kohli or Sachin Tendulkar, if you take, just talk about themselves. We should not involve ours personally. Should not go to personal way like family members, and should not talk about that our personal life, right? And their personal life also. We should just follow through the way. We have to just make the point condemned. We have to just condemn the point. And here in this debate also, if we do more time also, it gives negative impact. Should be limit. Should be in limit. We should not make it more. And fourth point is, should be very, here self control should be very important. In this also self control should be important. Should not put the emotional points, like means should not make it any sentimental or emotional. Should not touch the emotions. You can say should not touch emotions. Means our family members or any private points, personal points, if you go, you should not touch the emotions. Right? Here also, whatever we talk and whoever, to whom we are talking, whoever talks, there the point should be very clear. It should not make it into any indirect, should be direct point. Should be direct. If you want to ask the question, if you want to condemn the point of one person, we have to direct we have to put the point. Should be direct way, should not be indirect. These are the very important skills in debate. While you are going to debate, these are the most important things are. Argument is very important. Argument means it is not about any beating or anything, and we should not agree with that point. One point, we have to just talk with mind. We have to talk with brain only, don't or should not with hands or anything. That is the main important point. Everything is in our mind only. We have to just talk with the mind. So here argument should be brain with brain, like mind with mind we have to put. Should not be like hands or anything. So here point to point, if one person says about Narendra Modi, we have to just condemn the point. How can you say, or what he did this, or if you have any points in you, like about Narendra Modi, do you have any negative points or anything is there, you can just put the points. That is also important thing. And should not go to personal. Should not go to personal. We should not involve into their personal life matters, and we should not make it public, right? Next one, self control should be important. In these debates also, if we lose our self control, we will get health problems, right? Some people may involve very emotionally, so they may get anger, so that's why they may get any blood pressure, this type of problems. So emotions should not touch. These are the very important. Time limit should be very important. In this also should be in limit, and time limit should be very important. Then only it gives a positive impact. Otherwise it gives always negative impact. So maximum we don't need to follow these debates. If you want to follow, if you are going to any political or public speaking skills, or you must, but we must learn the debate skills, because we have to understand the difference between group discussion and debate. Debate is quite opposite to group discussion, but time limit, self control, emotions, these are the important things. But group discussion means we have to put our personal opinion on any topic. Here we should not agree with that point. That is the main difference between group discussion and debate. We must follow this way. Debate means we can get some skills. That skills we have to understand. If you are going anywhere about like you are a witness or something, we have to just argue with that person. Sometimes we have to talk to lawyers, right? Advocates. Advocates also they follow debate only, because they must have the skills. Some professions they need debate, otherwise they can't get success. So debate skills are very important, like a politician, like an advocate. Some people are there, they need this. So many human rights people are there, they must understand about the debate skills. How to start and how to conclude also they need to know. Starting should be very important. Here also starting, initiation and conclusion should be very important, right? These are the common points, right? And eye contact, these are very common points. Whatever you speak or wherever you speak, to whom you are speak, always eye contact, facial expression, and time limit, and tone of voice, These are very, very important things. Starting and ending should be important. Greetings should be important. Once you are going into personal talk, like argument is going on, it's going like a technical way, but by the starting and by the ending should be very good. Okay, this is about debate. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel PVR Info.